Hi, this is Subhashri from CSC department, SNSCT. Now our students are going to speak about digital quality monitoring system for dairy pasteurization in using Java.
Background. In dairy industry, pasteurization is needed for milk to heat a specific temperature, precise duration to kill pathogens. Traditionally, it was using manually by human, so it needs to be for human error and inconsistent result. So we need to use a digital system. So that is the Java for monitoring milk pasteurization in dairy industry.
Problem statement. In problem statement, manual monitoring of time and temperature in pasteurizing milk for the small scale industry is bound to error. So we have to use new technologies to detect the pasteurization timing and seconds to calculate for milk ensuring. And then objectives in objectives we have to need to use Java programming simultaneous for regulating the pasteurization process.
And now we can see about methodology involved in this process. So firstly, we have to know that what's the temperature and time involved in it. So it has to be heated for up to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. So this is the standard time and temperature used in this pasteurization process. So we have created a program in which we have to enter the temperature and time for each batch of milk. So if the milk is pasteurized to the standard temperature of 70 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, the result will be shown as passed. Otherwise, it will show the result as failed. And we have also included many features like adding the result to the file and improvising the result so that we can make it into a document, and whenever it is needed, we can go through it. So that's our job program to monitor the dairy pasteurization.
The system correctly identifies whether the milk batch is pasteurized according to the food safety standards. It reduces human error and offers a back-end logical output for the controlling monitoring system in food technology.
We propose future improvements such as adding file storage to log batch results and creating a user-friendly interface, integrating with IoT temperature sensors to live data from pasteurization.
IoT used in various food processing like food processing and preservation, food supply chain and management, and consumer development.
So in farming and agriculture, the sensors and detectors are used for the process.
So we have mainly implemented Java to do the for monitoring the dairy pasteurization. We have used core Java, and we have used functions and condition statements, and also constructors to stimulate the decision making process. So if the batch test is passed, the result will be showed in a positive manner, and if it is failed, the result will be showed as failed. And this is a simple backend process which is used in Java, but in larger industries, it has to be developed into more functional modules to which together can be made into a larger program. So it can be used in the large scale industries for the same dairy pasteurization process.
Okay. Any other point to discuss about it?
Ma'am, we have to standardize for 72 degree for 15 seconds. This is the time for milk pasteurization. Ma'am. This is important. So we have to add code to program 72 degrees temperature and timing is 50 seconds. Ma'am.
If you have any other ideas, you can tell. Like adding some more solutions to this problem statement.
It is integrated with IoT devices like real-timing logic, monitoring systems, etc.
Then how we can, what is mean by the pasteurization?
It's used for killing the bacteria in milk, so it can be preserved and used for a long period of time. And in industries, the milks are first pasteurized, and then only we consumers are getting the packaged milk. So that's the main motive in the pasteurization process.
Milk as processing as pasteurizing, sterilizing, but milk is important in pasteurizing method. Ma'am. It kills all bacteria and prolong long time.
The pasteurization is the process of killing the bacteria.
Killing the bacteria.
And make it edible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It brings a bridge between the food science and the computer technology by using this program.
What kind of IoT devices you can use? You can further you can search in the internet for further more process. Okay.